I just typed in YouTube and it brings up all of these different things that you can check on. You can just make the thumbnail, but now you can create your video. Let me show you. The YouTube gaming video area, you will see lots of different templates that you can click on to get started. If you're new to Canva, you start by uploading the media that you would like to use, and it will put the images down here or any videos you may have. Okay, so if you want to use this to edit some videos, you can click the plus, which will add more pages. And then you will go over here, pick the video you want, make sure you have clicked on where you want that video to go. In case you want to put them in different orders, you will just drag it and drop it right there. There will be your video. You will obviously want to size this appropriately, and you can change the transitions. All right, I went ahead and added a second video just so I can show you the transitions. You will click here to add the transition, and here are your options. Click on them to see how they will look. Dissolve, slide. You can even change how many seconds you want that to take. So you're going to want to play around with it, but this is a new option in Canva to do video editing.